Kerpoof is a great website that kids can create their own stories. Yes, there's other features, making movies, making drawings, make a picture, but we're going to focus on tell a story. Basically, this is how it works, and then we'll talk about teacher accounts. Kids can choose a storyline. Now, this doesn't tell them what the story is going to be, but depending on what storyline they pick is what kind of graphics they're going to be able to choose for characters and backgrounds. So just say I pick aliens. So what it does is that dictates what your characters are. So we look at this interface down at the bottom. This person stands for characters, and here's your character menu. If you put your cursor over anything, it shows you more specifically what the character looks like. The yellow arrow key, you can arrow through and see all the different characters that you have, so there's a variety. The mountain is basically for backgrounds. So what's the background that you want on each page? And you can pick different backgrounds for each page. And once again, the yellow arrow shows you the variety of different backgrounds, so there's tons. The tree is for little images, more graphics that you can be added, just like characters, not backgrounds, but things that can be added. And then text allows you to put text boxes or word bubbles next to people. To use the characters, you click on characters, you find your character, you literally click and hold and drag your character where you want. You can rotate the character by grabbing onto this little icon, make sure it's a hand, because grab thinks you're grabbing something and moving something. So you want to be right on the icon as the hand, and you can rotate it. You can make the characters larger or smaller by clicking directly on the diagonal arrows to drag them in and out. And you can have as many characters as you want on a screen. Backgrounds work the same way. Click on the mountain, pick your background, it pops up on the screen. If I want a background here, I can click and pop my background here. Backgrounds can be made bigger or smaller by, when you see it as the hand, or the arrow in this case, dragging out from the corners so you could fill your background better. Objects, same thing. Click, drag the object. Arrow as the hand, smaller, bigger. Hand over the little curly Q arrow allows you to rotate. Then we have the text. If you want to make your son talking, you click and you can type in here. See how it says type here? These toolbars affect what's going on inside the text box that you picked. So I can change the font, I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, and if I could scroll down the screen, I also could change the color. To change the color, simply click in the text objects or text box and click on the different colors. You also can draw by clicking on the pencil tool. You have tools over here, and I can draw on my image. And here is the control. I can make it a fatter line, or I can make it a thinner line, and you could do patterns to the line, which you can't see very well in this. Oh, I'm sorry, opacity, not patterns. How much you can see through. So I could draw over my son, but see through it. So it changes the opacity of the line. And then you can make the line straight or squiggly. So I can move it over, and it's going to be more squiggly. You also can erase. I click on the eraser tool, and notice it's only erasing the things that I drew. It does not, it erases everything. I didn't mean that. So you can erase with the eraser tool. You could take a paint bucket and dump paint into your entire background, so you got different choices. To type, all the students have to do is type in the box. If you try to type in the box and it doesn't seem to be working, look at the tool you have. You need to go back to like the hand tool or the selection tool, and then you can click and type your story in the box. Once again, you can change your font. Make it bigger. You want to add a new page, you simply hit add a new page. And here are all your different pages. Now you have choices for printing or saving. Now, if you're going to print, you don't have to have an account, but if you want to save, have the kids save, you do have to have an account. So let's talk about the accounts. The beauty of this is if you go to For Educators, you can create your own teacher account that allows you to monitor your students' account as well. So Kerpoof offers educators the ability to register students and arrange them into classes. Students may chat with each other, post creations on a class message board moderated by you, and collaborate on a project in real time from different computers. So you get your collaboration piece and your publication piece as well. So I would sign up for a teacher account, and it even tells you all about the teacher's account. It says, please log in and apply for teacher account. If you do not have a Kerpoof account, sign up for free here. So you want to sign up for a Kerpoof account first and then apply for the teacher account. So you can go through all the things. So remember, you want to sign up for Kerpoof account and then apply for the teacher account so you can have those features. And it's a great place for kids to publish stories. They do have lesson plan ideas if you wanted to look through them. That's up to you. New, they have different ones. I'm imagining that they're going to make them more advanced, but here, tell a story. Here's introductory lessons can be attached, how to use Kerpoof. So there's lots of different resources for you in here under lesson ideas. So definitely look into the teacher part for Kerpoof and have a good time.